Hello students, now let us solve more questions, more sample paper questions. So this is set 2. Now CBSE has already issued the sample question paper 1. So already the video is there for 1. I will give the video link in the description. Now this is the second sample question paper. Now the questions, you all know that in the first 1 to 21 questions you have to attempt any 15 out of 21. So let us solve the questions. Find the valid identifier from the following. Now identifier, it should start with an alphabet or underscore. It cannot contain any special character. It cannot has these keywords cannot be used as identifiers. So here the valid identifier is my underscore name. Rest, my name is having a dash. This is not allowed. True keyword, it cannot start with a numeric value, and none and return are keywords. So here the answer will be D, that is my underscore name. Next, given the list, now a list is given to you. So slicing, we have already done the list slicing. Now this is very important. We will practice more questions of list slicing. So here forward indexing it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and reverse indexing starts from -1. So this is forward indexing, plus it is given 2 to 5. Now we will see here 2 means 0, 1, 2, that is 6. 2 to 5 means at 4 it will stop. So 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 6, 82 and 5. Clear? So here you can mark with pen 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2, 3, 4. That is 6, 82 and 5. So let us see more questions of slicing also, as well as the other. Now here identify the invalid keywords in Python from the following. Now keywords, we all know true is a keyword, none is a keyword, return is a keyword. In import, I is capital, so it is not a valid keyword. So it is an invalid keyword. So here the question is invalid keyword. So the answer will be import. The other questions are output of this. 4 is greater than 5 is false. 2 not equals to 1 is true, or 4 is less than 9 is true. So false and true will be false, and false or true will be true. So the answer will be true, because or is given and this is your true, so answer will be true. Write the importance of passing file mode while declaring a file object in data file handling. File mode is used to tell that file object will read or write anywhere or append at the end, or it will read as well as write in a data file. We already have used the modes while opening the file. So there we have used the file mode. We were using R for read, W to write, and A for append. And if you want to do both, R plus we were writing for read as well as write, or W plus for write as well as read. Next, find the operator which cannot be used with a string in Python from the following. Now these question papers from the internet it is taken. Many question papers are there. I will show you the other question papers also. So we will discuss all the papers one by one. So here this is just for practice. This is as pattern we have followed as per CBSE. So for practice we are using these question papers. Now find the operator which cannot be used with a string. Now with string, plus is used to concatenate, in is used with like if x in a string. So in we have already used. Then star for repeating we have used. Double slash is not used. So here the answer will be D, double slash. Next, write the output of the following Python statements. Now here you can see again the indexing question is there. Now reverse indexing, -1 means the last one. So 1 will be the output first. till -6 -1, that is 1 by 1 it will print, and -6 means at -5 it will stop. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 it will stop, and output will be 1 1 2 3 5. So here we have used the reverse indexing, and always it will print that is the stop value is not included, so it will print till -5. So the output is 1 1 2 3 5. Next, consider the tuple in Python name days. Now here a tuple is given to you. How you can identify with this round bracket: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Identify the invalid statement from the given below statement. Now in tuple already you have learned that values cannot be changed. It is immutable. So we cannot change the value. So here you can see the first one, second one is simply printing. First one is assigning the value of day 1. Day 1, that is Monday, is assigned to S. But here day 0 equals to Wednesday means you are trying to change the value. So this is wrong. It is invalid. You cannot change any value in a tuple. So third answer is wrong. Third will be written here. Invalid. It is asked invalid statement. So invalid is third one. Now list equals to list of days. So this will be converted into list. So this is also valid. Fourth one is also valid. Next, declare a dictionary in Python named Quad having keys 1, 2, 3, 4 and values India, USA, Japan, Australia. So you will write the name of the dictionary. Quad equals to, in curly braces, first the key is coming, colon, the value, comma, the second key, colon, the value. Now here the values are given in double quotes, so as it is you will write. Next is dash is a collection of similar modules or packages that are used to fulfill some functional requirement for a specific type of application. So here library is the answer. Library is a collection of similar modules or packages. Next, website in charge Kabir of a school is handling downloading, uploading various files on school website. Write the name of the protocol which is being used in the above activity. So here file transfer protocol is used for downloading or uploading the files. So the answer will be FTP, that is file transfer protocol. What is its use of data encryption in a network communication? Data encryption normally for security we are using. You have seen like while entering the password also it is encrypted and others cannot see your password. So data encryption is the process of converting a message into an unmeaningful form. It is used to ensure data security while communication. So while communication we are encrypting our data and then we are using it. In SQL, write the name of the aggregate function which is used to calculate and display the average of numeric values in an attribute of a relation. So here AVG function, so this was already given in your sample paper 1 also. AVG function is used to calculate the average. Aggregate functions 5 are there: max, min, AVG, count, sum. So out of these any one can come. Write an SQL query to display all the attributes of a relation named test along with their description. So we can use here describe test or DESC test to see the description of the table. Next, like key. What is the use of like keyword in SQL? Like you have already used for matching the characters. So like keyword is used to find matching character values with where clause. How you used to write it? You can write the example also here. Example, if you want to see all the names starting with A, then we will write select name from student where name like in single quotes A%. Which of the following is not a DML command? Now already you have done that DDL commands. 3 are there: create, alter and drop. DML commands are select, insert, update and delete. So here you can see drop is a DDL command, so drop will be the answer. Give the full form of the following: URL TDMA. All the networking full forms you write in one page and practice it. So URL is Uniform Resource Locator and TDMA is Time Division Multiple Access. Identify the output of the following Python statements if there is no error. So here the output you have to find out. String 1 is computer 2020, string 2 is tuple. It is converting into a tuple. So from 8th character to 12th character. Now we will start counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th character is 2. From 0 it starts. So 2, from 2 it will start, and 12th character will be 8, 9, 10, 11. Before 12 it will stop. So it is 2020. Now it is converted into tuple first and then it is converted into list. So when it is converted into list, it will be in square bracket and each one will be in quotes with a comma separated value. Next, print string 3, that is in square bracket 2020 hash len of string 3. Now len 4 elements are there, so len will be 4. So the answer will be 2020 hash 4. 2020 will be in list, then hash 4.